Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing Hot Wheels 2023 US F case. The backwards unboxings continue, and I will continue to do it because after you see this F case, I will be dropping a Dollar General D case. So I think I did the G case from A&J Toys. That was the international G case. Now I have the US F case from Mattel. They sent this to me. And so I'm assuming that pretty soon I will also get the US G case. So let's just open it up. I know like some of the cars that are excited about it. The Audi is in here, the Audi 90, the Porsche Carrera. And, you know, when I did the G case unboxing, I couldn't tell which was which, right? Because I had not done an F case unboxing. So here we go. Let's get back in order and figure these things out. Kind of fun. It also means when this is here, it means that they're coming. When Mattel sends them to me, it means that they are coming to a store near you. I don't believe this is a store exclusive case. I'm pretty sure it's not, but let's just get right to it. Nice and sunny today. And a little windy all of a sudden, but let's just go. We start with the 2018 Copo Camaro SS. Very nice in that Copo Deco. We also get the recolor of the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15. Literally the wind just picked up as I cut this open. But now that I've cut it open, we're going. And a second Copo Camaro. Highlights. Copo's really cool, but I'll say that recolor of the Nissan. Also, there's the Target Red Edition in the middle of those as well, right? Another recolor, Nissan Patrol Custom. There will be a Kroger exclusive of that one, I think in white. That is a highlight for sure. Beetle's Yellow Submarine and the Subaru WRX STI looking nice as well. Got to be kind of good. I have to be careful on these highlight because sometimes there's just too many. The last, you know, like the G case was loaded. This one will be a section of that. In fact, you can see right there what's going on. But the couple cases before that, like the E case, I didn't get too excited about that one. But so far, so good on this one. Here is the Track Manga. Here's the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and then the Highway Hauler 2. MX-5 Miata is really cool. That will be a Zamak this year. Okay, here's highlights. Here's highlights. 1972 Stingray convertible. Obviously, we saw this in the G case. But now that I know that Mercedes was in the G case and these two were already in the F case, this is a major highlight. So that's a highlight right there, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. Classic. Very clean. Very, you know, plain. I always use the word plain. I shouldn't, because plain is not the way to describe it. The Ducktail Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, one of the best of the year, easily one of the best of the year, and it's going to get a lot of play at the end, and I assume a recolor will be coming to that one soon, so I'm very excited about that. And that's the bricking speed, and the poor thing has to sit with those other two. All right. Roadster Bite. How about this one? Another of the 277 Magnus Walker Porsches, the 71 Porsche 911. I think the second time this casting has been in that livery. It's just a little bit different this time. And then the Audi RS e-tron GT, that color is phenomenal. I'm going to put that in my highlight pile for sure. Man, lots of good stuff. And I don't know if I've seen the regular treasure hunt, so you guys let me know if I haven't, if I've passed it. 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 recolor in gray. That's recolor of the green one, right? Very nice. 2017 Camaro ZL1. That's an old classic at this point. I mean, at 6 years old. Mach-It Go. That's called the Mach-It Go. 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger looks great in green. Really like that. It's an old casting as well. I think it's been modified slightly, but nice to see some classic muscle, and it is in the Muscle Mania. That one is really nice. Lotus Emira, very nice as well. Blue is the first color, right? So now we get this burnt orange because the sun is so bright today, and I ain't complaining. It looks more orangey or red than maybe it is. I don't know. Classic TV series Batmobile. I like gray skies for the videos that I shoot, but considering what we've had winter-wise here in Utah, I'm taking the sun and I'm staying out here and I'm just enjoying it, just kind of baking my skin for the first time in months. Brick and Motor, kind of a cute name. There's another Challenger in green and recolor of the Dragon Wagon. Rollin' Solo, that looks cool. New casting for 2023. Automobili Pininfarina Battista. That looks cool. I prefer the clean versions of that one, but the deco's okay on that. Really like that casting, but so I'm collecting it, but I'll add it. And then look, I have a Batmobile. Wow, Batmobile. Oh, look, Batmobile. Surf and Turf looking cool. And how about that Tri-5 Terror Gasser? No one complains when there's a gas. Well, maybe someone. Someone's going to say, so many of these. We're sick of those. That's a highlight. I'm not sick of them yet. You can have so much fun with those. All right, Desert Drifter, not the Desert Drifter. This is the 1968 Mazda Cosmo Sport. This is the Super, right? In this case? In the F case? I think so. But this one obviously isn't. It would be a burnt orange and have the mag wheels, right? The mag Real Riders on it. So I believe this is the Super in this one. Ducati Desert X. When you do unboxings backwards, that's where you get confused. I have that Super. I will... I've already shown it, and I don't think I think everybody who needs to see it has seen it. Drone Duty, another Lotus, and how about this, the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. That is fantastic. That is a highlight. Casting that's been out before. It's not new, but one that we haven't seen in a while. And the second Thunderbird, right? We had the that Thunderbird that debuted last year, the drag Thunderbird. All right, funny car Thunderbird. Let's move this out of the way. And let's see what else we got. Air Eruption, that's nice. Ice Shredder, that's nice. Ducati Desert X, those are nice. Dimancini Veloci looks great in this recolor from the green one with the white rims. There's another Audi RS e-tron GT, and 32 Ford looks nice. Keep those decos vintage and cool, so no complaints there. That one is super cool. El Segundo Coupe, that is a new model. It's based on the... what do they call it? The one that looks like a key fob, and I'm forgetting. So, oops. Does it say maybe back here? Say hello to the second version of a certain special coupe. That's right. This one even has wheels, so you'll burn rubber in no time. Yeah, so it's the, what is that called? I hate it when I do that, but you guys know what I'm talking about. The one that was all metal last year with no wheels. Oh, look, Batmobile. Surf and Turf. Mock it go. You guys want to join me? Oh, look, a Batmobile. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Automobile Pininfarina 72 Stingray convertible. Another one of those. Always nice to see the new models get at least one and multiple. Surf and School Bus. Have we seen the regular Treasure Hunt yet? Don't know. GMC Hummer EV. Nice. That was in one of the last cases. Really like that one in white. Classic TV series Batmobile. Another Dodge Hemi Challenger. Water Bomber. It's a plane. DeLorean looks cool in that light blue color, and there's another Gasser. Okay, so this cast, so it wasn't the G case. It's the F case that's loaded, right? Because there's the Audi. Two of those. Okay, it's the F case that is loaded. The Mercedes is a big highlight of the G case, but the F case is the true winner here, right? Because not only does it have the Corvette and the Porsche and the Audi upcoming, but it also has the 73 Honda Civic Custom in this light green, which, you know, you might be able to convince me that I like it even better than I don't know if I could like it better than the Audi and the Porsche, but still, with the 3-spoke wheels on this one, just so cool. And look at it, it's got full details. Back, front, hood. Love that. Love that. Huge highlight. That's nice. Recolor of the Ford Escort RS 2000. That's a great casting too. El Segundo Coupe. Hummer. There it is. Audi 90 Quattro. Isn't it just the best? Isn't it just the best? So cool that they did this casting. It looks so good with the white rims. I just love this one, and I know so many other people do. It just inspired me to do that best of video. This is what would have been the Super, right? Is it this one? The Renault RS 01, right? That is the Super in this case. So obviously this one is not the Super. I have that one too to show. I'll show it another time. So that is the correct one. You guys probably already told me in the comments. But if that one had the lace Real Riders in it, that would be the Super. It's a nice car. We'll call it a highlight. Move these over here. There's a DeLorean. There's a Pagani. And there's a Thunderbird trying to escape. broke through the blister. And then we finish off 70s van recolor in black, Audi 90 Quattro. Second one of those, nice to see. And then another Cosmo Sport. Highlights. You ready? Very nice. Would like it more if it were the Super. Incredible highlight. Put that off to the side. Very nice recolor alongside the Target Red Edition. Very nice highlight. Thunderbird, we like you. Audi, we like you. e-tron. Speaking of, you know, old and new. Recolor of the Patrol Custom, we like you. You're nice. Recolor of the Sylvia. These are all like the A-case recolors, right? Gasser, no complaints. Love a gasser. And I already threw one of those new models in here, didn't I? No, well, it was the Audi, right? Huge highlights. Audi, Porsche, Corvette, Honda. That makes the F case a monster case, right? A monster case. The new models mean a lot more to me than the Supers. The Supers are obviously fun, but you define a case by this, what you're seeing come out new models wise. And I mean, great Japanese car, great American muscle car, and then two European legends. Winner, 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 winner. That is a fantastic case. F case in the books. We'll get to a USG case once we can. We'll talk all about all these cool cars. We'll just focus on that Mercedes. Thanks, everybody. Bye.